Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I cannot believe it's been 2 years since I have posted long form content on here. I'm so sorry guys. I do hope you guys had an amazing 2025. With that being said, Happy New Year! I hope 2025 was really good to you as it was to me. And I'm so excited for the things that 2026 is going to bring to all of us. So thank you guys for being so patient with me in terms of long form content. But I hope you've been enjoying my shorts because I've been enjoying putting them out here on YouTube. You guys are so nice, seriously. If you are new here, thank you so much for joining this community. I hope you invite your friends to join, and I hope that you benefit something from me because I love sharing about all the things that I am interested in. And if you are a recurring subscriber, or if you're an old subscriber rather, how have you been? I hope you guys haven't missed me so much here. I hope my shorts have been keeping you going, and I hope you are doing well. And I'm so happy that you're back to watching my videos. So before we get right into today's video, I know by the title you'll see what today's video is about. I just wanted to give a brief introduction to my new subscribers on here. My name is Inhuoma, but I go by Oma. And I am Nigerian. I am a first-time mom because I spent 2025 having my baby. So I'm a first-time mom, and I am also a content creator on TikTok, Instagram, and on YouTube. And I just like to talk a little bit about everything. So I hope you enjoy your stay here, and I hope you bring one more person along and share this video to whoever it is that you think would benefit from it. And don't forget to subscribe, okay? I would love to put on more long form content this year, and my goal is to have one every month, just because like I said, I am a first time mom and I'm still trying to learn how to navigate and balance my time, especially because it's just me, my baby, and my husband. So bear with me, and I hope that you will enjoy my monthly long videos. I'm still going to be dropping my shorts, don't get me wrong, but I'm also interested in hearing what you guys want to see from me this year. So I'm looking forward to sharing more of what I have with you guys, and I'm just hoping that this community would be more of a positive one. And yeah, so now let's get straight into today's video. I'm so excited for today's video because when this brand reached out to me, I was pretty skeptical at the time, but after looking through their website, I honestly was blown away because I hadn't seen anything like this before. And as you guys know, I am a Microloc girly and I've been locked for almost over 3 years now. And when this brand reached out to me with this particular partnership, I was so excited, and I'm so excited to share it with you guys because who knew there was such a thing in the Loc community? Personally, I did not know. So I'm here to inspire and inform you guys that there is such a thing in the Loc community. If you're interested in finding something like that, I have a plug right now. So the packaging was super cute and thoughtful. We have like a tangle teaser, some extra clip-ins, and a bonnet, which of course I will be using this and indulging it, and it's adjustable too, so perfect for if you have like longer locks or just big hair in general. So the main reason why we're doing this video, it's the CurlsQueen Locs itself. I don't know if you guys have ever seen lock clip-ons. Like, I never knew there was anything like this before. I'm excited to be trying them on for you guys. This is what they look like. It looks really close to what my own locks look like. I don't know if you guys can see. It almost looks identical. And on the website, you can pick what diameter of locks you have. So if you have bigger traditional locks, there is something for you. And if you have Microlocs too, there's something for you. I think this was 0.2 centimeters, and it was also in a natural color. So these also hold well with color. If you do have colored locks and you wanted to dye yours the same color, feel free to do it. It's good quality hair. And I'm just going to be putting these clip-ons for you, especially if you want extra volume. I don't know if you guys can see how layered my locks are. I'm excited to try these on and we'll see how that looks. It comes with these clip-ins that are just easy to pop open on both ends before attaching them to your locks, and you clip it back, almost like these ones that we have in our hair that you pop open and goes back. So I'm just gonna do a trial for you guys to see what it looks like. We're gonna put some just right here. It's perfect because I just had a retie, so you're going to see how it looks like just directly on my scalp. So I've already popped it open right here. If you just want that extra volume, insert and then clip it. And just like that, we have it right there. It's super tight in there. Blends so seamlessly. You can't even tell where I put it, except you look super close and lift my hair. But like it's right here. It's right here, and I put 2 more in the back. And look at that. I take this off just so that I have extra areas to put it in. And look at that. You can't even tell where it is. And I still have a bunch to use if I wanted to make it even fuller. These are super innovative because I know when you have like straight hair, it's so easy to find clip-ons or extension that work with that kind of hair. So to see something like this in the lock community, honestly, I'm excited. So if you are looking for something like this, you can find it at CurlsQueen. I'm going to put all the information that you need in the description box alongside a discount code that you can use to get a few dollars off, of course. And I think it's super cute. I think it looks super cute. And that's it for today's video. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. Let me know in the comments what you think about these. I think they are pretty innovative and fantastic, and I'm excited to see more of these in the natural hair space. And let me know what you guys think. Would you try these? Well, let me know, have you ever seen something like this, and will you be purchasing it? Thank you guys for today's video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share to all your friends, and I'll see you in my next one.